Hi, to add context photo in your Samsung Galaxy A35, as a first step, make sure SIM card is inserted. For that, go into your phone settings. Here you should find the Connections tab, and after that go in SIM Manager and make sure that your SIM card is activated. If yes, you should see that this switcher lights up blue and you should see information about your SIM card such as phone number and network provider. So now after that, we need to find our Contacts app, open it, and choose Add Contact to which we want to add photo. For example, I'm going to select my friend Maddie, and now we should tap this Edit button. And after that, just tap on the Profiles icon, and now we can add any photo to this contact, or we can use this AR emojis. Just by tapping it, you can go in AR emojis itself and create with camera or with image. Or we can just open camera and take a photo immediately and set it to this contact, or we can open gallery and choose something from here. For example, this one. Here you can resize it, pinch, zoom in and out, and so on. And when you're done, just tap this done button. And now you should see the difference. Let's choose this one, emoji. And if you want to remove this photo, just tap this minus icon and everything will be back to like it was before. So when you're done customizing the photo, you can immediately save the changes by tapping the save button. And now you can see the contacts photo, so you can go back and see it in the contacts list as well. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!